Good morning. This is Carl Mullen from Rapid Home Deals, and we are answering questions from sellers today, just like you. All right, the question we had this week was, how long am I liable after I sell my house for any repairs? And the answer is, you are not if you filled out a seller's disclosure listing all the known defects of the house. If you have done that, then you probably are not going to be found liable. If you did not do that, and the buyer comes back and finds out after they've moved in that there is some serious defects that required some significant amounts of money to repair, then he could very well sue you, or find you liable for those repairs that were not disclosed. So the buyer does have a responsibility in this as well, in that the buyer has an inspection right. And the buyer should be sending somebody in there to inspect the property before he buys it. So that's another method that reduces the liability of the seller. But the number one thing that will reduce the liability of the seller is a seller's disclosure. All right, so that's our question for today. And if you know anybody that's looking to sell their house, have them call Rapid Home Deals at 352-480-0955. Or go to our website, www.rapidhomedeals.com. Rapid Home Deals, we are your local cash home buyer.